Hi all, today we'll be reviewing Kleenex's on-the-go packs. These are the perfect, convenient little packs of 10 tissues. They come in these super cute patterns and colors. They fit everywhere from in the car, in your diaper bag, in your purse, even in my pocket. And they are perfect for when your little guy has a cold or the flu, and they even help cleaning up messes on his nose, on his face, or that he spills. So we've been using these. As you can see, little guy's got a cold right now, and they're super easy to just catch him on the run, wipe his nose, and let him get back to playing. So I highly recommend that everyone go and pick up these awesome tissue packs today so that you can be ready for the upcoming cold and flu season and your busy little ones in your lives. So I recommend it, and you can thank me later.